Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Y'all already know what time of the month it is. It is one of my favorite times of the month. It's the time of the month where we unbox the Boxycharm Premium box. If you aren't familiar with Boxycharm Premium, it is a monthly subscription service. This is the upgraded box, which costs $35 a month. And you're guaranteed a value of over $175. So let's go ahead and get into this box. So we have a card, thank you. There's a card in here, and this month's theme is glamping. I wish I was glammed out in camping, but I'm not. And I have variation 46. The first item we have is a Daily Concepts. I need to look at the card. So we have a Daily Concepts Daily Detox Massaging Brush. This retails for $18. And I would not buy this on a regular day. I just wouldn't. But it's from Boxycharm. It does feel kind of heavy. I mean, of course, I can get some use out of this. I mean, I'm definitely going to use this. Ooh, this kind of feels like it'll hurt. Okay, well, this is said to remove dead skin cells with the stimulation, and it removes old dry skin, leaving your skin feeling glowy and baby soft. So I will definitely be using this. This is not something I'm like, ooh, really excited about having in my box, but I got it in the box, so I'm gonna use it. Alright, so what do I want to do with it? The next product, ooh, okay, so the next product is from Milk Makeup, and I only own one other product from Milk, and I got it in my Boxycharm Premium. It was the, what is it, the lip, and it's like a blush, but it's like a little small balmy kind of blush. And this is the Longwear Gel Eyeliner. This retails for $22, and this is in the shade CEO. I'm happy this is an eyeliner because from the picture on top, it looks like a light brown. Like if this was a brow pencil, I don't think I'd get much use out of this. Ooh, I love Milk's packaging. It's so sleek and really pretty. So, oh, wow. Okay, so it has the color on one side, which is literally just a brown, which is pretty nice. Whoa, wow, that's pigmented. Okay, so that's the brown right here. It's just a brown eyeliner, but the cool part is that on the opposite side of the eyeliner, there is a smudger plus a sharpener. How does it sharpen? I must twist it or something, but I love that. So it's like a little tiny like sponge. It's a sponge on the opposite end, which is pretty cool. Wow. Alright, so this is a big thing. Okay, so next up, okay, so I actually picked this for my choice for premium. This is the Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. This retails for $65. And I literally need a cream that has vitamin C in it, because vitamin C is so good for your skin, and I just needed a nice, really good cream for my skin. It says you can apply to clean skin once or twice a day for luminous moisturized skin. Works well for sensitive skin. That is something that's very important because I have very sensitive skin, so I get really skeptical when I put new products on my face because my skin is just so sensitive. Oh my gosh, this feels so expensive. Like, look at the packaging. Ooh, this is nice. Oh my gosh, this is going right in my skincare fridge. Open this up. Okay, so it has a little seal on the front. So you just, oh, my nails are so long. Let's try with some tweezers. I feel like this will help. Oh, this smells like oranges. I mean, there's vitamin C in it, but it smells like expensive oranges. So it literally just looks like a kind of like yellowy tint kind of cream. Let's see. It kind of feels cooling in a way. That feels really good. That smells so good. I cannot wait to put this all over my face. This is what I feel like premium should be all about. These like really expensive. Oh my god, I didn't even see this. What? Okay, so it has like a little thing. Oops! It has like a little scooper thing in the box. Next up in the box, we have a Too Faced Born This Way setting powder in the shade Translucent. I don't own much Too Faced products. I did pick as my choice item in the base box the concealers of the Too Faced Born This Way line. So it's really nice to have a setting powder in my premium that's going to go really, really well with the concealer. I'm not going to open this because I have so many setting powders right now. Setting powder does retail for $33. Here's the setting powder right here. I'm hoping that translucent works for me. I don't really lean towards translucent powders, but this is exciting to have in the box. I've heard really, really good things about this setting powder. Next, we have a MAC lipstick in the shade Verve. This retails for $19, and y'all, I remember when MAC lipsticks used to retail for $17, and even then I thought that was expensive for a lipstick, but now that it's at $19, that's really expensive. Like, why is MAC going up to $19? MAC, what you doing? Let's see what this shade looks like. It looks like a dark color, so this is something I probably can get use out of. And it's a satin. Honey, this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is gorgeous. Yo, do y'all see that color? That is beautiful. That is perfect for fall. Thank you, Boxy, because I normally get colors that I cannot use. But I can definitely use this color, and I think it is so stunning. That is so pretty. It's a pretty brown shade with a nice purple undertone. Love that. Y'all, I keep getting a whiff of that CEO vitamin C cream, and it smells so good. My hands smell like I just had a bunch of oranges. Alright, so we're down to the last item in the box, y'all. I love unboxing Boxycharms. Lastly, we have a eyeshadow palette. This is from Ciate London. This is the Editor Palette New England. And this palette retails for $32, inspired by New England in the fall. Alright, let's see. Wow, this packaging reminds me of Makeup Revolution's packaging. For $32 from first impressions with the packaging, I don't know. But okay, let's just open it up. It's all about the shades. Huh. Okay. So here's the palette right here. They said that this palette is inspired by New England in the fall. I don't know if I would really call this a fall palette. This kind of looks like a springy kind of palette. This is a palette that I feel like I would use in the springtime. Of course, there's like a couple dark blues in here, but I'm really surprised there aren't any shade names on this palette, just because it's a $32 palette, and I would expect to have like everything in a $32 palette, if that makes sense, because there's so much room for shade names. Alright, so here's one of the mattes, which is really pretty. Shimmer. Ooh, wow. Okay, the pigment is definitely there. And here's another matte. Okay, so the pigment is definitely there. It's really, honestly, it's really just all about how the shadows perform. So packaging is always a plus for me. If the packaging is really good, I'm hoping that the shades are really good. But all in all, it's really about how the shades perform and how the pigment is and how it looks. So for $32, this is not a palette that I would buy, but the shades so far so good. Like that red is, whoo, wow, very foiled and very beautiful. So let's add up the retail value of this box. I have 65 plus 32 plus 33 plus 19 plus 22 plus 18. Alright, so the retail value of this box is $189, which is pretty good for a $35 box. This is a really, really, really good price point, you know? So if you were to subtract $35, I have $154 worth of savings in this box. So I think that's really good. And honestly, this month's box was like a good box. I was really contemplating about canceling my Boxycharm Premium, but after getting this box, I have lots of hope for September. My standout products have to be the CEO cream from Sunday Riley, the Milk Makeup eyeliner, as well as the Too Faced translucent powder, and definitely the MAC lipstick. I feel like this is the first shade I've gotten in Boxycharm that I feel like would truly work for me. Everything else has been like pinks and maybe a nude is really light, but this shade, honey, perfect for the fall. This was a nice like fall kind of box. So I definitely really enjoyed it. I'm not the biggest fan of the eyeshadow palette as well as this. I'm excited to get my base box, y'all. Like, I'm really excited to see what's gonna be in the base box. Hopefully that arrives soon. I don't even know if it's shipped. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram at tatiana.anisa. And I'll see you guys in the next video.